Okay.
Welcome to OLOP RV. I'm Jonathan.
I'm Curtis, and this is Gigi. Every time the camera comes on, Gigi's like excited, so we're not sure why, but she's here today.
Yep. Of course, Whitefoot isn't feeling too good, so he's taking a little breather today.
Yes.
But other than that, this week we're going to talk about our renovations that we want to complete on the bus.
Yeah.
And that's mainly what this video is going to be about. We've kind of talked about it from time to time, but now it's actually time to start doing something.
So yes, it's time to get to work.
Yep.
And we're not going to do like a time lapse or anything like that because I just don't do well with that.
Before and after.
Yeah, that's it.
I might do a little bit from time to time, but other than that, we're going to have fun with it for sure. We did get our bus up and running since our last oil change.
Yes. Thanks to Speedco, they left the O-ring off of my fuel filter, caused us to have air in the system, and we had to drive a good 900 miles with a messed up fuel system, but we made it.
Mm-hmm. We changed it ourselves, and I don't understand why we didn't do it to begin with, and we probably won't get it done on the road again without us just doing it ourselves.
Well, I don't know that I've paid that much for somebody else to dump the 28 quarts of oil, but dealing with 28 quarts of oil is very much a hassle, and I'm not set up for it. So I thought that would have been the easiest, but I was mistaken.
Right. I know. What's the matter, Gigi? What?
What are you drumming about? Am I to hold in here? Is that why? Here.
Are you going to hold it? Yeah.
There you go. Anyway.
So anyway, we are just wanted to kind of show you what we want to do. I guess this is his honeydew.
Clear understanding of what I'm to do.
This is his honeydew list. And the first thing we're going to do is take this hatch out right here. We thought we stopped the leak, and we have not. I'm not sure why, what. We put so much caulking in it, it still has a leak on it. So we're going to take the whole thing out, and eventually we'll get new solar. We want to completely top the whole bus off with solar eventually. And so we're really getting excited. We're all excited about doing that. So if we have friends that are traveling with us, they can plug right into our bus for power. So that will be our own, basically, power bank. A real power bank. So we'll go from 2310 watts to 4,000 watts altogether, eventually. Our cabinet sink, you see how open it is. And we're going to have probably a shelf here. I'm not sure exactly what we want to do, but right now we just stow stuff on top. And we just kind of, all these cabinets are not really usable, and they don't keep clean, and every time we move, it all moves. But we do have these storage containers, which helped a lot, but still things, fall over and stuff. So we're trying to stop all the clunkiness when we're traveling. We got tired of all that. Right here on this countertop area, we have a huge 36-inch drawer. Am I saying that right, Curtis?
Mm-hmm.
So a 36-inch drawer we have here. This right here, they keep moving when we're bouncing up and down as we're moving down here, and that big drawer, it gets pretty heavy, and so we need something to keep it from bouncing around somehow. So we're going to do that. And down here, it's probably a little easier fix. I'm not really sure what to do exactly, but I want a lip on it at least, so nothing can fall forward, because every time we move everything, all this stuff winds up down here, and the cabinets are bulging out, and always have a lot of pressure on these doors because everything just falls on top of the doors when we're going down the road. This drawer, I want something, because we have our soda stream, and this is kind of our bar area. I want to have it where we can at least have a second area for a lot of this stuff, because right now we just cram it full to everything we do in this bus. We just cram everything full, and then it seems like when we move, everything lands, and it puts a lot of pressures on all of the cabinets. And so we're just trying to alleviate that so everything has a certain spot. Because every time we get somewhere, we have to reorganize, put everything back where it needs to go. It's just a little aggravating. The countertops will be redone. We're going to sand them down and refinish them only because they age as we don't oil them enough probably. So they get scuffed up from time to time. And right here on the pantry area, I do want cabinets to actually pull this way, because when I'm in the kitchen, I want to be able to see what I have in my pantry. And I think it'll be a nice little way. I want to kind of make everything look more finished. Right now, it's very not finished. And so, again, a lot of my stuff, they fall off the cabinets and stuff like that. I just want to stop all the wiggling and falling and stuff, because we do have dogs. We don't want to kill them. And then lastly is down here with the solar chargers here. You don't have to get all of this, but just down here, I somehow want a front so you don't have to see all this. It needs to be breathable material, just so it'll look finished instead of seeing all the wires and, you know, things that accumulate dust. It'll at least help out with some of that too. And our dogs, we don't want the dogs to accidentally get electrocuted or whatnot, just to be a little safer. And then of course, we do have our 75 gallons of water. We're going to actually take that out and just put it in. It has a one little leak, I guess. Isn't that right? Just a little leak somewhere.
In the fill.
In the fill area, yeah. Because we can't really get in there with our hands. And so it's just a little, something we need to fix. So those are the most of the things.
I built it without access. Now we need access.
Mm-hmm. And we also have that other 75 on the back that we don't have a good access to either. So yeah, our water tank system will be completely redone basically, and excited about that.
That's it.
I think that's it. So we just wanted to kind of go over real fast on what we wanted to do and accomplish.
Hopefully I'll get it all done.
You will get it all done. No, just joking.
Maybe not the solar part yet.
No, we're not doing the solar part. We're just getting everything prepped up for later. Right now we need to save some money, and we overspent a little bit, so we just have to kind of, we could do all the little things. Right. We could do all those small things and get it ready for later on. So, but until next time, we love you, and thank you for following us, and don't forget to like, share,
subscribe,
and
hit the bell notification.
Bing.